The school that you went to?
St. Patrick's.
Rita?
DAB. Prakash High School.
Okay. Receive any information. So there are three aspects to any communication. जो आप communication सुनते हो, जो भी आपके जो आप सुनते हो, जो आप महसूस करते हो, उसके तीन हिस्से होते हैं. पहले तो कैसे वो communicate किया जा रहा है. जैसे अभी मैं सुबह आती हूँ और आपको बोलती हूँ, hello, good morning everybody. So this is one way of saying. So what I have said, okay. There is a tone. So if I say, good morning everybody, or if I say, good morning everybody, welcome to level 1, now my tone is also communicating. So one way of communication is the words, then there is my tone, then there is my body language along with the tone, right? कि मैं कैसे बोलूँ. और चौथा बहुत ही important चीज़ है सुनने वाले का state of mind. आप अगर बहुत लड़ाई करके आए हो कि कोर्स की फीस नहीं दे रहा है घर वाला और you have fought and really cried and blackmailed and threatened you will run away and then you come and pay the fees and come in. तो आपका mental state बहुत ही aggressive है. और मैं पहले आपको बोलूँगी hello hi श्वेता what a wonderful day today and how nice to see you. श्वेता बोलूँगी कहाँ wonderful day है यार, ये क्या बोल रही है, वो टॉन्ट मार रही है क्या. So after everything I have said with my body language and tone, if her state of mind is in a different state, the receptivity will be very different. The communication will change completely. Great time and this, that, you will be thinking, yaar, ye kyun aise bol rahi hai? But if she has had a wonderful time, then what I am saying will be like, she asked me about my honeymoon. She is so considerate. If you didn't have a good time and I ask you, you will say, kyun usne aisa? Are you understanding? So communication के अलग-अलग हिस्से होते हैं. अभी जो भी communicate किया गया है वो हर एक बंदा अलग तरीके से receive करता है. तो ये जो receive करने का सिस्टम है इसको हम suggestibility बोलते हैं. It is in psychology terms. ये जो जॉन कैपस ने टर्म निकाला है, जो हमने सीखा था ना कि पॉपुलेशन के में लोग ऐसे हैं जो बहुत इजीली सजेस्टेबल है और जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है सजेस्ट होने में. तो these are two different types of people. So what cap at Wellness Space we work with mind and emotions, and we do therapies and trainings on how to work with the mind to address the daily problems that people face, like relationship issues, behavioral issues, stress management, fears, phobias, family issues. While most of us are familiar, with allopathy treatments, we are familiar with psychiatric treatments as well. This is one area which is relatively very new. Mind is something that most people associate with the brain. Here at Wellness Space, we make people understand on how brain and mind are two different things. And mind is where your emotions, your experiences, your belief systems and your habits are stored. So if we want to change our behavior, we want to change our attitude, we want to bring about a transformation in our life, it is very important to understand the mind, how it works, how we store our experiences in the mind, and how we can bring about changes in these files or programs that are stored in our mind in order to change our reality, in order to change our life. So here at Wellness Space, we conduct trainings on clinical hypnotherapy, NLP, sound healing, inner child integration and past life regressions. And we also help people with therapy using all these modalities in order to bring about a change or a transformation in their life. I experienced the power of the mind, who have experienced, some of them have gone through therapy, who have experienced the power of this and how it has helped them to change. Some of them have got rid of their fears and phobias. Many of them have transformed their relationships. Many of them have brought about changes in their own behaviors regarding anger, insecurity, fear, low confidence, just by understanding the mind and understanding how to work with the mind and emotions. So today's training that we are doing is a level 1 of basic clinical hypnotherapy, which is an ECA Foundations curriculum for which I am a trainer. And in this level 1, we understand the basic fundamentals of the mind, theory of mind, how the mind works, conscious and subconscious mind, how programs are created, belief systems and habits are created, and how we can use hypnotherapy and self-hypnosis to bring about changes in the mind, in the behavior, in the habits. It's a very, very powerful course. It is very, very interesting and at the same time a lot of fun. And I really believe that the next 20 years, whatever humanity will do, a lot of work will be done in the field of mind and energy. Simply because so far we have understood a lot about the physical world, but it has not helped us. No amount, the more and more the medical knowledge or knowledge of medical science has increased, but the diseases have not increased. People's problems have not decreased. And so understanding the mind, emotions and energy is one way to help us to deal with issues that we have not been able to deal with medical science. Fear, phobia, relationship issues are things that you cannot solve by popping pills. For these issues, it is very imperative to understand what are the causes of these problems. Where do they start? Do they start from childhood? Have they come from past life experiences? Have they come from the parents and the environment that you have lived in? And then working through with them in order to heal and transform. That is what our work is all about, whether it is therapy, whether it is training. So we at Wellness Space use different modalities like sound healing, NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, inner child integration therapy, past life regression therapy, in order to help clients who come to us from all over the world to seek help. And whether it is 2 sessions, 5 sessions or 10 sessions, all of them have gone back with some sort of a change that they have seen in their problems, in their lives, in their realities. So that's basically I have been a therapist for last 8 to 9 years, but I was practicing in Singapore. We moved to India about 4 years ago, and Wellness Space has been there here in this space. We have been working since the last 2 to 3 years.
How many students got the teaching, understanding from you?
More than 150 students I have trained so far in India and in Singapore. So I also conduct trainings in Singapore. I also do therapies there. Gunjan has also done training in Singapore, in Hong Kong. We are also now growing in Taiwan. So we have more than 150 students between us.
Thank you very much, madam.
Yes, welcome.